Hierarchy is the visual design principle which designers use to show the importance of each page or screen content by manipulating these characteristics. Users notice large elements more easily. Bright colors typically attract more attention than the mute ones. Hi there, I am Ahmad and today we are going to learn about the hierarchy in graphic design. Hierarchy is visually something we think about when describing ranking in a business or organization like politics and events. It is a system in which people or things are arranged according to their importance. In design, hierarchy creates a visual organization to a design and gives the reader an idea of where to begin and finish reading. Each element that is a part of the design can be given a ranking of priority: heading, image, subhead, website call to action, copy body. Designer can then make a decision around the position, size, contrast, color to ensure that the desired hierarchy is achieved. Visual hierarchy controls the delivery of the experience. If you have a hard time to figure out where to look on the page, it is more likely than it is a layout is missing a clear visual hierarchy. Users notice large elements more easily. Color. Bright colors typically attracts more attention than the mute ones. Contrast. Dramatic contrast colors are more eye-catching. Alignment. Out of alignment stand out over the aligned ones. Repetition. Repetition style can suggest content is related. Proximity. Closely placed elements seems related. More white space around the elements draw the eye toward them. Texture and style. Richer texture stand out over the flat ones. Content in any digital page layout will follow a specific hierarchy. Headers appears above the bottom of the text. Menus goes at the top, bottom, left or right of the screen, or any combination of these. Designers try to organize the content so that they can present the highest priority content on any given page first. Then they deliver the rest of the content from the highest to the lowest priority. Hierarchy is the simple, nicer way of saying the organized from the most to the least important. We also use hierarchy to show the relationship between the content and block. Users define the visual hierarchy of a website or app. The item that first grabs the eye attention is the most top of the hierarchy. So that is hierarchy is all about. Keep learning and think creative.